If you happened to be looking up at the skies after midnight last night, you might have seen it. The Perseid meteor shower entered its peak time, plus the northern lights were also seen in parts of West Michigan.
This is video sent to us by a viewer in the Muskegon area, catching a meteor fly by with greenish purple hues glowing in the background. Wow, the sight prompted many of you to share your photos with us.
I'm so glad they did because I didn't see much. Is it possible both could be seen again tonight, though?
Well, let's find out. Chief Meteorologist George Lesson is here with the answer.
I stood outside for 45 minutes. I saw one green meteor. That was it.
Those are few and far between, aren't they, Juliet?
It was exciting, though.
We do have a chance again tonight to see that, but the peak of the solar wind has gone past the Earth now, so there is a chance tonight. Just have to look up and see after dark here tonight. Tonight, 13 weather ball is green. No change foreseen to our temperatures. Maybe a degree or two warmer coming up tomorrow. Today, we've had lots of sunshine, some cumulus clouds in the inland areas away from West Michigan, more over toward the center part of the state. Temperatures warmed up nicely to near 80. We've cooled off into the upper 70s at this hour. Pretty typical for this time of year. Dew points are fairly comfortable. They're in the mid and upper 50s, a little bit higher along the lake shore where there's a little bit more water, of course, and waves out on the buoys running about 1 foot or so, and they're actually going to continue to fall along the beaches. You can see at the lake shore, maybe 1 footers, virtually flat. There are a couple of waves there, but temperatures in the water are ranging from the low and mid 60s, some spots in the 70s further out in the lake and further down to the south. Had a few cumulus clouds inland. You can see right in through here, a couple of sprinkles of rain right over southeastern Kent County for a minute, but these are just very typical for this time of year. Nothing really to write home about. We've got another couple of dry days coming in our direction. Weather systems way back to the west are going to stay to our south immediately because high pressure is keeping that at bay, but the weather patterns are starting to slow down just a little bit. So toward the end of the week, even though we'll see our temperatures go up and our humidity levels go up, so will our chances of rain. It looks like we're going to see those chances of rain into the weekend. Right now we're at 77, 81 back to our west. Overnight we're going to stay clear as high pressure continues to control our weather pattern. Lots of sunshine and blue skies, a little bit of haze in the air tomorrow. Look for increasing clouds then during the day on Wednesday. Starting late Wednesday night and on Thursday, we've got a good slug of some rain coming on through. Just about everyone will see measurable rain and then some, maybe an inch or two. And then over the weekend, we're going to see on and off scattered showers, especially early Friday morning. Friday afternoon should clear on out. But because it's just so cold aloft and there's just so much moisture around, we'll see a pop-up shower both on Saturday and again during the day on Sunday. So that will have some minor impacts over the weekend. Biggest impact will come during the day Thursday. Here comes the rain. This is through Wednesday, and then we'll see more rain come on in later on this week. On Thursday, we could see over an inch of rain, and you could see those spotty showers Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So Thursday will be likely the day where there'll be some inconvenient weather. As far as our long-range outlook, from August 18th through the 22nd, higher chances we will be cooler than average during that 5-day period. And as far as rainfall, we have an equal chance of more or less from the 18th through the 22nd. Forecast for tonight, we're looking for clear skies. Temperatures in mid and upper 50s north and south, and maybe around 60 there at Muskegon. Winds will go calm late tonight. Mid 50s to the north, another night where you can have those windows open for fresh air. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll stop in the upper 50s for the most part, maybe as cool as 56 in Kalamazoo. 13 on your side forecast. Low 80s tomorrow, which is actually a degree above our average. 84 on Wednesday. There's our weather impact alert day on Thursday with a good deal of rain, and then that rain will abruptly end on Friday morning. Sun comes out in the afternoon. Then over the weekend, it'll be a little bit cooler than average, upper 70s. Both Saturday and Sunday have at least a chance of a pop-up shower at any time during the day. So a couple of dry days coming up, guys, followed by that Thursday rain.
All right, we'll look for that. Thanks.
Well, after a breezy, cool weekend, temperatures are moderating a bit. The winds are down. Later this week, we'll see more clouds return to West Michigan, along with chances for rain. But for your Tuesday, 13 weather ball is green. No real change to our weather pattern foreseen. As you head out the door, maybe to walk the dog this evening, introducing, this is Poppy and Luna. Corey, going to give you the green paw for your evening walk. We've got some dissipating cumulus clouds, otherwise clear skies tonight and lots of sunshine tomorrow. Very comfortable temperatures and dew points once again. Solar energy here tomorrow, 6.0 out of a 10-point scale compared to yesterday's 8.4 and today's 8.4. Winds 6.5 on the scale here during the day tomorrow, as winds will be up just a little bit in some locations. As far as cloud cover, we're looking at lots of clear skies across the area. We had some cumulus clouds develop earlier this afternoon. Did produce some very brief showers off to the south and east. Very typical for the summer months. Not much going on across the weather pattern. We got a high pressure system over northern Minnesota that continues to bring down that cooler and somewhat drier air. Once that moves to the east, we'll introduce some more clouds and higher humidity later on. As far as our hour-by-hour forecast, clear skies overnight tonight. Lots of sunshine tomorrow. You notice a few pockets of green in some areas, but not here in lower Michigan or west Michigan. We'll see our clouds increase then overnight to Wednesday night into Thursday morning, and then by Thursday we're going to start to see a good deal of some rain push in. Just about everyone will see some soaking rains on Thursday, and that may extend into Friday morning. And then because we got some cool air just kind of hanging out overhead over the weekend, we'll have a pop-up shower possible both Saturday and again on Sunday. So kind of a wet end to our week, with the majority, if not most, of the rain coming on Thursday into early on Friday. In terms of rainfall, nothing up until about the overnight hours on Wednesday into Thursday morning, but here's most of the rain, about 1.5 inches on Thursday night into Friday, and then just a couple of scattered showers over the upcoming weekend. Long range outlook from the 20th through the 26th. That's our 8 to 14-day outlook. Says our chances for cooler temperatures will hang around for a while, but a higher chance for less precipitation during that 7-day period. Forecast for tonight, we're looking at clear skies, mid and upper 50s, maybe to near 60 as winds go calm later tonight. Northern zones, you'll be into the mid 50s. You can keep those windows open for at least a couple of more nights. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, overnight lows between about 56 and 58. 13 on your side forecast. 82 Tuesday, 84 on Wednesday, above our average high of 81. We've highlighted Thursday with that weather impact because that will change what you'll need to do on Thursday. If you're planning on doing stuff outdoors, we have to switch it to an indoor day because it rained on and off most of the day through Friday morning, and then a chance of a shower both Saturday and Sunday, especially in the afternoon, where temperatures will be a little bit below our average highs. Once again, a nice couple of days coming up.
Yeah, not too bad out there.
Like the comfortable temperatures, that's for sure. Georgia, a nice start to the work week with that mixture of clouds and sun, but I'm hoping that I'll have better luck tonight if I go outside to try to see some meteor shower.
There's a chance we're on the waning edge of the Perseid meteor shower, and there is a possibility of some northern lights, but the chances are down a little bit from where they were last night. But nonetheless, that was quite a light show overnight. 13 weather ball for the daylight hours on your Tuesday is green. Really no change to this more comfortable weather pattern foreseen. And highs today managed to climb to 80 plus away from the lake shore here in Grand Rapids, matching last year's high of 80 as well. Came within 2 degrees of our forecast high. We have hit our target range now 26 days in a row. Hope to continue that here tomorrow. We had a few fair weather cumulus clouds away from the lake shore this afternoon. A couple of those produced a couple of sprinkles of rain over toward the Ionia area, down toward south of Lansing, down toward the Hillsdale region. For the most part, we are going to stay clear and dry, at least for another 36 to 48 hours. Second half of the week is going to be different, though. This is overnight. We have clear skies, light winds, thanks to high pressure moving out in. You notice the winds are still more out of a northerly direction than anything else. And then during the day on Wednesday, we'll start with some sunshine. Clouds will come in at the end of the day, but 2 dry days in a row, both Tuesday and Wednesday. Towards daybreak on Thursday, we'll start to see some rain during the day on Thursday, most of the day. So that will change what you plan on doing. Most of it will have to be indoor activities because of the on and off rain. And then we'll see more scattered showers early in the day Friday, and again Saturday and Sunday. It's just going to be cool aloft, and we'll start to pop up those showers from time to time. They're not all-day rains, but certainly the possibility of a pop-up shower toward the end of the week on into the weekend. Rainfall, most of it will be waiting until Thursday to move in. This is very early Thursday morning. The majority of that will come throughout the day. Some areas getting an inch or two of rain. We could use a little bit. We've been fairly dry last week to 10 days or so, and then just some spotty showers both Saturday and on Sunday. Not an all weekend washout by any means. In case you missed it last Friday, from the 24th through the 6th, we'll get rid of some of that cool air and return to higher chances for warmer readings right on through the Labor Day holiday weekend. And in terms of rainfall, we have a higher chance for seeing less precipitation as well during that 2-week period. Forecast for tomorrow, lots of sunshine. Highs will be in the upper 70s, maybe around 80 in Muskegon and Holland. That's pretty close to where you were today, maybe up a degree or two. Similar to the north, around where you were, maybe up a degree or two under mostly sunny skies. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, looking at highs between about 80 and 82. 13 on your side forecast. We highlighted Thursday with a weather impact alert day because of the rain that will make you change your plans. It'll be an inconvenient kind of thing. The rain will end on Friday morning, sun coming out late in the afternoon. Over the weekend, a chance of a shower both Saturday and Sunday. A little cooler than our average high of 81 will make the mid and upper 70s. And the humidity will start to return as well Thursday, lasting through a good portion of next week.